Hello, my dear children. Today we are going to study paragraph writing. Now, paragraph writing means what, teacher? You will be thinking. Paragraph writing means one paragraph will be given, some points. Yes, you need to read the points, understand the points, and what have you understood, you should write it in short paragraph. Correct? See here. Shivaji Maharaj. So here the pointers are about Shivaji Maharaj. Here are a few points about the great Maratha king Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Use these to write a paragraph on Shivaji Maharaj. So you have to use these points and you need to develop one paragraph. The great Maratha hero. Shivaji Maharaj, the great Maratha hero. Let us read the points. Now, as you are in 4th standard, you have in EVS 2 every details, everything about Shivaji Maharaj. Yes, so you are well aware about Shivaji Maharaj. So, born in the year dash. So, you need to remember and you need to know when was Shivaji Maharaj born. At Shivneri Fort. This is one point. Then mother. Who was his mother? Jijabai. Father, Shahaji Maharaj. Early childhood. So when he was young, he was under Jijabai's care, who used to make him listen all the stories of great heroes. So by listening to these heroes, he got inspiration. He thought, yes, I'll also do something for the state, country. Inspired him, wished to establish Hindavi Swaraj. So he thought, yes, I will also do something good for the people. And so he thought of establishing Hindavi Swaraj. So for that he had to fight many enemies. He then established Swaraj. He was brave, kind, noble king. बहुत अच्छे थे. He showed respect for all religions, loved and respected by all. So these are the points. So by reading these points, you need to frame sentences and you need to write one paragraph on Shivaji Maharaj, the great Maratha hero. Okay, let us see. Shivaji Maharaj was born on 19th February 1630 at Shivneri Fort. Full stop. He was named Shivaji as he was born on the Shivneri Fort. Now वो शिवाजी महाराज का नाम शिवाजी क्यों आया? Because he was born in Shivneri Fort. His mother was Jijabai and father Sahaji Raje. Shivaji's early childhood went under Jijabai's care and affection. So बचपन में मम्मी जीजाबाई ने बहुत ध्यान दिया. She used to tell him stories of great heroes like Rama, Krishna, Bhim and Abhimanyu. So the mother always used to tell him the stories of Ram, Krishna, Bhim. She would recite to him, बोलती थी, the devotional songs of Saint Jnaneshwar, Namadev और Eknath. गाना गाते थे उनके बारे में. Shivaji got inspired from all of them. He undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra. Children, see here, if you know the story, if you are well read with these points, you can frame sentences and you can develop a paragraph. He fought with many Mughal enemies and established Swaraj. He was a brave, kind and noble king, showed great respect for all religions. So he showed great respect to all religions. He did not give any partial treatment to anyone. Under his kingdom, everyone were equal. He is loved and respected by all of us. So everybody loves and respects Shivaji Maharaj. Right, children? I hope you understood what is paragraph writing. Again, I'll tell, paragraph writing means you will be given some points. Yes, by reading those points, you need to frame sentence and you need to develop a paragraph. Okay, children? Thank you.